Hi friends, this video shows how to remove this Google News feeds. See, when we swipe from left side to right side, so here we can see the news feeds. So I'm going to remove that. First, tap and hold anywhere on the home screen. Just tap and hold. Tap on settings. So here you can see add media page to home screen. Google Discover. Disable this. Just tap here. Done. So now I have removed Google News feeds. Let me try. See, now it's not showing. So this way we can remove Google News feeds from home screen. So later if you want to add this back, again just tap and hold on home screen. Go to settings, enable. Just tap here and enable Google Discover. Done. Then close this. See, now we can see Google News feeds. So please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.